Hi, I'm Louisa McHugh. Welcome to my studio. And today we're going to talk about what you should do when your watercolor paint comes out of the tube and it separates. I think every artist has experienced this with watercolor. I have had every brand do this to me at one point. The gum arabic, the binding substance that holds this pigment together, sometimes in the heat or just in storage over time, the pigment will separate from the binder, and when you squeeze it out onto your tray, you end up with this big oily mess. And I used to think that you had to just throw it away when that happened. But then I discovered there's a quick and easy tip to fix it, and your paint is still good to go. So here I sat down with my brand new Sennelier Gray, and look at that mess. So rather than just wash it off my tray and throw it out altogether, or even worse, try to paint with it like that, all you gotta do is get yourself a palette knife and just mix it back in together. Sometimes I find if you catch it before you squeeze it onto your tray, you can stick a little toothpick inside the tube and start stirring it in there. But when you dump it out right away and make that oily mess all over your palette, all you gotta do is just stir it back together. And then you're good to go. So for more free lessons and great tips, just remember to like and subscribe. Thanks, and keep painting.